everyone, welcome to Hidden Box channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal the information about the first data-centric AI competition. If you feel this video as informative, kindly like and share the video to your friends, and if you like our channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon. Before knowing about the data-centric AI competition, we can have the glimpse about data-centric AI. Two basic components of all AI systems are data and model. Both go in parallel in producing the desired result. We all know that the machine learning is an iterative process because the machine learning is largely an empirical science. You do not jump to the final solution by thinking about the problem because you can know easily articulate what the solution should look like. Hence, you empirically move towards better solution. When you are in the iterative process, there are two major directions at your disposal. The one is model-centric AI and another one is data-centric AI, where the model-centric AI involves designing the empirical test around the model to improve the performance. This consists of finding the right model architecture and training the procedure among the huge base of possibilities. Whereas the data-centric approach consists of systematically changing and enhancing the data set to improve the accuracy of your artificial intelligence system. This is usually overlooked and data collections is treated as one of the tasks. Most of the machine learning engineers find this approach more existing and promising because it enables them to put their knowledge of machine learning model into practice. The AI mastermind Andrew Ng announced this data-centric AI competition on June along with Landing AI. This competition will include the improving the performance of machine learning models by optimizing the data rather than the model. That is, we are going to approach the machine learning model with the data-centric AI rather than the model-centric AI. The data-centric approach is not always an idea to do method when it comes to improving any model's output. But according to a few recent pieces of research that was performed by Andrew's team, it has shown that there is a significant improvement in the result using a data-centric method rather than the model-centric. This led to the invention of this competition to know about more data-centric approaches. The AI mastermind Andrew Ng announced the data-centric AI competition on June. The competition will include the improving the performance of machine learning models by optimizing the data rather than the model or algorithm. That is, approaching the machine learning model with the data-centric AI rather than the model-centric AI. The data-centric approach is not always an idea to do the method when it comes to improving any model's output. But according to a few recent pieces of research were performed by Andrew's team, it has shown that there is a significant improvement in the result using this method rather than model-centric one. This led to the invention of the competition to know more about the data-centric approach along with Landing AI. The user can register this data-centric competition and then download the dataset from the website that consists of the handwritten Roman number from 1 to 10. The task is to optimize the model performance by improving the dataset with training and validation set. The various data-centric techniques such as fixing incorrect labels, adding own data, removing trained and validation split can be implied. The submission has to be done on the Colab website by uploading a zip file consisting of less than 10,000 images which works as a data set. There can be only 5 submissions per day. The uploaded folder and the label book will be passed on the predicting script that will be train a fixed model on the submitted data. The script will generate a set of predictions on the label book. The competition organizer will mimic the contender run by replacing the label book with a test set to obtain the accurate result. The accuracy will be uploaded on the leaderboard which you are seeing on the screen. The result will be based on the best overall performance and the most innovative approach. The data-centric competitions will be open till September 4th, and there will be 2 winners from each category who will get an opportunity for private discussions with Andrew Ng regarding the data-centric optimization. And your work will be published on the deeplearning.ai channel. So this is the first ever data-centric competition, and hope we will also have many more in the coming years. So the link of this data-centric AI competition will be in this video description, and you can click and enter into the contest. I hope that this video is very informative and useful to you. So finally, crack the knowledge, reveal the opportunity, always stay tuned with Hidden Box. Thank you.